the chocolate one. Get the red velvet.
Okay, everyone, grab your favorite.
This is the best cupcake ever.
Look at your face.
How cupcakes are made in a factory.
Truck 1, proceed slowly. Truck 2, hold at the line.
Here, the finest grains and freshest ingredients begin their journey, converging to create something truly exceptional.
The AI just finalized the ratios for the red velvet.
Verified. We can push this to the mixing stage.
Let's monitor the first run closely. The viscosity is holding steady at 500 centipoise. That aligns perfectly with the target range.
You see the journey of the cupcake, a mesmerizing display of heat and automation on a truly massive scale.
From raw to real perfection.
All indicators are green. The cooling process is complete. Confirmed, ready for decoration.
From machines to masterpiece.
The thermal stability on batch 7 looks optimal. Confirmed. The AI projections match our QC metrics.
Wow, these look amazing. I want the red one.
Go ahead, dig in.
This is so good.
This is the best cupcake ever.
It sure is. You have frosting all over your nose.
He really likes it.
Look at the crumbs on his face.
Wow, look at all the colors. I want this one, the one with sprinkles.
All right, let's get that one and the chocolate one for your brother.
What a treat. They were so good, honey.
Can we have more?